Hi everyone. In this video, I show you how to install and activate Exclusive Addons Pro for lifetime. First, go to our website dashboard and then from left menu bar, plugin and then X plugins. Now search for Exclusive Addon. This is free version. To activate Pro version, first we need to install and activate Exclusive Addon 3 version. So click on Install Now and then click on Activate. Look at here, Exclusive Addon 3 version is installed successfully. And now I'll go to their official website and download Pro version plugin. So click on here. Look at here, download is started. Download is completed. Now back to our website and then again go to plugin section, then upload and then just find and this on them of him and install now and then click on activate plugin. Now click on activate your license. Now going to Exclusive Addon official website and copy the license key from here and back to our website. Then paste the license key here and click on activate. Look at here, activation is completed successfully. If you need to activate Exclusive Addon Pro version for lifetime, check the description box. Thank you very much to watching this video.